Or we're gonna go here. We're gonna go Roxy first. Before lollies. Meron silang pilates doon. Strong pilates. Dito tayo sa Roxy. Ito lang yung sa kids. Wala akong masyadong mahanap kay Holly. Wala. Wala ang para sa kanya. Oops. Meron sila dito yung the bento bus. Yeah, it's open. I wanna go here. Kaso sila gusto nila dun sa lollies nga. It is open. Open? Slide the door. Or maybe close. Open! We're open. No, here nga, here. Open, slide it. Yeah. Slide it. See? Hello. Wow, Jackie. Yeah, this is American.
Here we go.
Si Takis na naman siya. Oh, si Kuya. You're wearing your new top now?
I got like American.
Yeah, that's American.
Did you ever have any of those?
Yeah.
What one?
What one? This one.
Where's it from? Wait, where's the food from?
Goldfish. Daddy likes that. Twinkies. Twinkies. I used to buy that. Yeah. It's alright. Go find now, kids. Hello. Good, thanks. Sorry, hello. You got any? No, you don't know what to get. Sitaki's boy. You don't know. Just get one. Oh. Itong kunin ko. This one of these. Yung raffles. And this one. Meron sila ditong combos. Wala silang malaki. Ito lang. Ito na yung pinakamalaki. Ayun. Ayan na naman siya. Bumalik na naman siya. Just get one. Get the other one. Kasi kinuha niya yung malaki. Gusto niya itong i-try. Dragon sweet chili. Sweet siya. Dragon sweet chili. You wanna... Wow. Surprise na naman siya nakatingin. Oh, it's up to you. You already tried that. You already tried that one, the blue one. Ah, that's the one they put in the freezer. The wax. That's the one they freeze and then yeah. Ano? Ako okay na. This time may bazooka sila na bubble gum. Do you still have the bazooka guns? Sold out. Oh, sold out daw yung bazooka. Yeah, one of each flavor. Yeah, just get one sa. Just get the other flavor. Get the big one and then get the small if you want. It's alright. You don't want the big one. You can get the big one and you can get some of that one. It's alright. It's too much daw. No. Nakukonsensa. It's alright. Come on. I'll pay. Come on. Yes. Alright. Okay. Yes. Welcome. Huh? What again? Pabago-bago siya. It's alright. You don't like the big one?
I won't finish it.
Oh, okay. What?
I want this one.
Go,
that
yeah, get one sack. It's alright. Kuha ko nitong curlies.
You have to swap it.
You can try sack because we don't get that one in the Adelaide. So just get it. It's alright. What's flavor?
Mom, have you tried these? What are these? Are they like the things that you give me?
Yeah. Just get another one, son. Oh.
Who's trying you?
Yeah, you too. Takis boy. Huh?
Got 3 talkies.
Yes.
Thanks, Mom.
You're welcome. So, punta na tayo ng Harbour Town.
I'm gonna try the watermelon gummy best.
Kinakainan nila yung mga nabili nila sa
The well done.
sa lolly shop. Ito yung
Captain's candy.
yeah, Captain's Candy. Si Sak, nagdadalawang isip siyang kumuha ng takis kasi sabi ng daddy niya, isa lang. Kasi ayaw niya dyan na bumili siya ng
And I want a different.
maraming nito. Kasi hindi naman ito maganda talaga. Kaso si Sak kasi mahilig talaga dito sa takis. Kaya kuha ka na, tapos kumuha siya ng malaki, tapos isang maliit. So, balik na naman siya. I don't think so I need the big one, ma'am. So, kumuha siya ng maliliit, 3. Tapos, ayaw niya pa itong kunin. Sabi, kunin mo na kasi bago siya. Ayan, new. Dragon Sweet Chili. This one, nitro. Ayan, nitro daw to. Pero sa akin parang, hindi ko alam, netro. Basa ko nito, netro. Kung sa Tagalog, netro. Nitro sa English. Tapos,
Go, Togo, just on this road.
Yeah, for 2.2k.
Then we're going to go right.
Approaching red light camera.
sayang ng pag-straight natin.
Left.
Left daw.
We turn left.
But we're nowhere near Helensvale. Not now
No,
though.
not now.
I mean, sayang ng aking pagplansya kasi nabasa na siya. And kumuha ko ng Perlis. Ayan. Cheese flavor. Corn snacks. Ano siya? $9 din. Parang $10 na siya. Eto. Ruffles. Flaming hot. Sour cream and onion. And hindi ko kinuha yung original. Masarap na siya yung original. Jalapeno ranch.
I'm gonna try that.
Yeah. Are you eating now, Sa?
No.
No.
I have salami bun.
Si Kuya kumakain na naman ng salami. Also, si Jan, meron siya. Kinuha na doon, nilagay niya sa likod. Twinkies. What's this?
That's
This is yours, huh? What do you call this? Peaches and cream. Wow. Ang ingay. Peaches and cream. Captain's Candy. Ayan nakalagay.
must.
This one is Must Sticks. Is this good, honey? Is this Australian?
Yeah.
Ito Australian. Yung basuka nila, bumili ako dati. Ngayon daw sold out. Do you wanna try, huh?
So we turn right.
I think this is
1k.
napalobat na naman ang ating ano.
I should have brought my
Ang bilis niya
charger.
Where at?
That smells so good.
Oh, it smells so
Don't,
good.
don't squish it.
What's this? Is it lollies? Can I?
You have to put the whole thing in your mouth.
Why?
Don't put
Come on, Zach. Let me see. Did you eat it, Zach?
You gotta be careful, don't burst out.
Wait, Zach. Wait. Ah, let me.
Okay,
Is
go,
it for me?
go.
Yeah.
Oh, thank you, Zach. Oh, you're not the
What's
other.
that?
Zach.
Just keep going, keep going.
Can you open mine?
Mm. Oh,
Well, you're opening it.
it's good, Zach.
At these stoplights, see where that sign is where we're turning.
Turn left here.
Yep. At the Austin Ave.
Sour, sweet.
Mom.
Mm. Mm. The one you got, Holly, it's good.
Yeah, I know, right?
Very soft.
Be careful because it's so sweet.
Mm. Wala pa tayong kain. Anong oras na? Lunch time, babe. 11:33.
I'll give you a lot for one.
Ang hirap niyang... Oh, mahirap nga lang siya. Here, come.
You got it?
Almost.
Here, hold it together.
Mom, don't squeeze it too much. This lip gloss or what? It's lip gloss.
Ayan siya.
Try that one.
Yeah. Ayan na yung Harbor Town Premium Outlet.
So we went in that way.
What's the name?
Nandito na tayo.
Wait, Dad, you know where we... Wait, what?
What are you gonna get?
If there is fragrance.
Fragrance. Kuha raw siya ng pabango.
Mama.
Dito na sila sa Rip Curl again. 50% din dito. Get shorts, boys. Shorts or pants.
If there's one of those.
Where's Zachary? Short sock. Polo sock. This is nice polo. See? Short snug.
All the same shorts everywhere.
Because they're the same brand.
Size 10 will fit me, Mom?
No, 8 baby. Ano? Is that your size?
Size 8. Perfect.
Okay, can you try it on please?
No, it's size 8.
Yeah, but can you do this? Ask daddy.
Dad.
How about
You're legit holding it.
how about jacket, Holly?
Pardon?
Jacket.
That's called a jumper.
Oh, jumper, sorry. Here.
That looks.
What size? This is size 14. You need size 8. Here. What color is that? This is small.
This is size 5 to 6. Well, look
Okay.
at more stuff like jumper.
Oh, it's alright. Try it. Try
I bet
it.
y'all need a belt.
It's alright. Try it. Si Kuya nagsusukat.
I need a big bag
What?
for dance.
Yeah, but they don't have it here. Wala silang nagugustuhan ng mga shorts.
Guys, I thought this was a lolly, but it wasn't. I bit into it, and it tastes like bubbles. Got it.
Sour.
Huh?
Like a sour.
It's the Sour Patch Kids. And it's the blue. Smell it.
No, it smells like
Yeah,
Bubbles.
Smell it. Don't.
Is it taste
Bubble.
bubbles?
Because like you licked it.
No, is it alright? Let me see. Let me see. Oh, yeah. Thank you. Yan si Holly, bumibili siya ng drink. Meron silang bread top. Bread top ang sabi ko kanina. Bread top pala. Sabi ko sa class, ito bread top. Mamaya na lang ako kukuha pag pauwi na kami. So, hindi ko siya bitbitin. Ay, ang bango. Asan yung parang cake nila? Yung parang mamon. Oh, wala. Iba ata yun. Ay, ayun. Nandito. Ayan. Kuya wants this too? Kain muna sila. Pasok ako dito sa T2T. Si Sak gusto tumingin ng perfume. Dito sa Giant Chemist. It's over there. Si Sak gusto niyang perfume talaga. Oh, I told.
Yeah, but that'd be nice.
I just want to smell that corn.
Feel like some
Valentine.
weird
Yeah, you have to smell other. Ayun niya si
Yeah. That's a winner,
Jan-
but he wants to try that one.
Valentina.
What's the first?
Valentino.
What's the first one he tried, Kuya? John Paul. John Paul. Ayaw niya.
Oh, you still me that one, smell that one.
This one is, what's that one? Ang dami namin, ayan, ang dami niya nang na-smell.
That one smells alright as well.
What's this one? Valentino.
I don't know.
Oh, I like this. I like this better.
So which one?
Yung isa, what did you try the other one?
Intensely stronger with you.
Intensely strong.
The intensely is the most popular one.
Intensely? Is it Giorgio Armani? Giorgio Armani yung isa. Giorgio Armani. Intensely. The first one you like.
Which one you like? Is that it?
I'm just
So Giorgio Armani Intensely, tapos
Yeah, that's a strong one.
what's that one? This one?
Yeah.
No, it's a camera.
Oh, it's a camel.
Yeah, it's so small. What's the other one? Valentino Sack? The one I like.
I forgot which one smells.
The vanilla one is the Intensely. Ayan.
There we are, strong with you intensely. Okay.
Okay, si Kuya. Wow, that's nice. Yeah.
You like this one? You like Valentina?
Nice.
Thank you.
They look good. Yeah, hold these up. I'll hold them down. But... No, these look good.
I recommend them.
Yes, Zach. Something different.
Oh, there's so much lipstick.
Good.
Dad.
What size is that?
9.
What size are you?
9.
Maybe you need a bit.
No, not 10.
You sure? It's size 9.
What's the other line?
9.
Mum, can you clean these?
Where's your tongue?
Right there.
Where?
Bit back.
There.
You have a space, huh? Yeah?
curtains.
But I don't know whether it's... Well, you just...
Yeah, that's nice.
It's a bit small.
No, it's not.
It looks small.
No, it's not. Look. Lift your shirt. It's alright. Show daddy. Come on. No, it's not small. That's perfect, Zach. It's alright. Show daddy. Come on. It's alright. No one will get your thing. No. It's alright. It's perfect. Babe. He said it looks small. It looks nice, right?
You can't go any bigger.
Yeah, because it's gonna fall.
That's it.
That's the smallest one. Because that's for men. That's nice, Zach. Yeah, that's perfect, Zach. Here.
This colour.
No, you want lighter. That's big.
That's not that
where she
big.
got it from.
That's not that big. That's not big. Though.
That's 20.
28.
This 28. Yours is 26.
Yeah, 20 hours.
Is it?
Yeah, 26, 28.
Look.
They're too big.
No, they're not.
He wants like, you know, like Justin Bieber. Yeah, I like. We're gonna get that one. You wanna be like Justin Bieber? Yung lowest na low waist. Too big? You say I told you. It's alright. You can just put belt. Look at the mirror.
I'll just have a belt.
Yeah, it's alright. Yeah, it looks nice. Get the other one and that one. I like the color. The cheap one.
69, no. No, I'm not getting something like that much.
Huh?
I'm not getting something that much.
Is that too expensive? 69? Levi's belt? Huh? What do you want? $10? Baba? Alright?
So tired.
Just jeans, yes. You're tired shopping
Yeah.
because you get everything you want.
Yeah.
Zach, help daddy, please. What?
Tie that.
Thanks, Dad. Yan yung Filipino. Filipino street food. San churros? Zachary? Ah, that's the one you had before. Italiano. No, that's Italian.
I remember eating here.
Yeah, I know.
Man, every time when they say something I don't know, and then when I see it, I do know.
Yeah.
And then I got my remembrance.
No, that's Italian. You had this before, babe.
Watermelon crush. golden retriever that Therese has. I got 4.
4 pairs. Talo mo pa ako.
I
Ha?
made sure they were pairs.
Okay. All good? Alright, put this one there. Huh? Okay. Go line up now. No noodles.
What's there?
It's like grilled, like barbecue, corn. Dito na pala kami sa
I thought it was
Nona's
Chinese.
Italian, huh? Chinese?
Yeah, because it had Chinese rice.
Yeah, you want Chinese food?
I just want to.
So you don't want nothing?
No, you sure?
I just want to. If someone's having a pizza, I'll have some
I don't think anyone's getting paid.
What did you order in Italian?
arancini balls.
Arancini balls?
I had them in.
Yeah. So, titingin si Kuya dito sa 8th Street. Napunta na natin to 3 years
doing
ago.
takeaway.
Yeah. Dito. You want noodles?
Yeah, I want noodles.
Noodles, there's Malaysian food. This one, Japanese one. Oh no, there's noodles there. Oh, here's the Filipino. This one, Kuya, Filipino one. See? You want noodles?
What about the noodle one?
What's that one? That's pansit lumi, Kuya. So nag-order kaming bulalo, pansit lumi, pork barbecue. Wala sila yung ano, corn. Sarap pa naman tingnan ng corn.
People say it's the worst one.
Ayan pala kay Jan. Schnitzel with creamy garlic. What's that? It's schnitzel, huh?
Yeah.
With
Creamy garlic, sure.
creamy garlic. Chicken. And calamari. Arancini, that's small. Sisak. Pizza. And ito sa amin nila, Kuya. It's very hot, okay? Sarap, ang sarap ng bulalo.
Don't say the eggs.
Ha? You didn't see eggs? It should be under. Lumi yung kay Kuya.
Yeah, Mum, this was $15 altogether. 73. What is that?
Ang barbecue.
You can have some of my pizza.
No, you can take that one. Hot? I only have 3 minutes dito sa ating DJI. You said 5. I have to go there now. Ayan, sobrang sarap para kay Jan yung kanyang kinain. Sulit daw yung binayad niya. How about you? Tinake away namin yung dalawang pizza at saka dalawang arancini. And si Holly gustong gusto ang bulalo. Si Kuya, how's your eggs? Yeah.
Dad, I'm coming.
Walang eggs. Kanina niya pa hinahalukay yung yan. Wala ko siyang mahanap na eggs. Binilang niya pa naman yung sa picture. 3, Ma'am. I'm having 3 seconds. That's good, yeah. You will like that one. It's like at home. Yeah. Masarap yung bulalo. Home cooked ang lasa.
I don't like that.
And then you wanna get one each. Nice, yeah?
This one's way better.
Yung barbecue. You want barbecue? Thank you. Hindi ko na ubos. Okay na ako.
It's all finished, guys?
Yes. Thank you. Si Kuya, sinukuan niya na yung lomi. Doon na siya sa bulalo tsaka rice. Si Sak tsaka si Jan naglakad-lakad na. Nice, no? Like mommy? Sarap ng bulalo talaga. Ako yung kumain ng bone marrow. I'm here. Come on.
I should've known I'm better off alone. I should've known when you were hiding your phone. I should've known that time would.
Bahay na pala, bahay. Caravan na kami. And hindi pa namin binaba yung mga gamit kasi gabi na at may tulog na yung mga tao. Nandito si Max and si Zach.
This stronger with you intensely.
Yeah, but they
What's the brand?
Like the real tight ones, like James Older.
What?
Like Armani.
Giorgio Armani?
One for $20.
Those baggy ones.
One of them could fit me.
Gusto niyang i-unbox para
Three pairs of those. What are they called?
George, I said that.
Oh, the animal. Yeah, no.
what's the scent, Zach?
I don't know.
Vanilla? No, not vanilla. What's that?
Girl. Doesn't?
You have to, okay. Just let it sit. Dito si Max.
It does not.
It smells like a girl.
Boo.
Eto siya, guys.
It does. It smells like a girl one.
It's a man.
Oh. Yeah,
Just gotta let
Y-
it. No, you only just go. That's it.
That's right. Not too much.
No,
none
it's
there.
5 on the next, 7 on the other.
That's what we say on TikTok.
I don't like the cap. Oh, it reminds me of something that I had.
You want the magnet?
I know it. This is not the one my dad I stole from my dad. It's like
You like it?
yeah.
Your dad's is that
Try some on
strong.
there, Zach, so-
Not now.
So I can smell you. Just one on your neck.
His jumper smells like it so much.
Closer.
It's alright now.
If I had to get yours, I'd wear
Gamit ko na
it
yung phone kasi full na yung ating DJI.
Soup all over it.
Yeah. Si Kuya, yung damit niya.
Oh, what's that?
Dami ng stain.
Black stuff I don't know what how that happened.
You like it, Zach?
That is Zach's pizza from Chona.
That's Zach. Zach sprays it on his neck. And that's it.
Oh, did he?
Okay, can you close the vlog? We're gonna close the vlog now.
Thank you. Please like, please. Thank you. Please like, please subscribe. And that's what.
Because I think I do want you next to me.